Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Afsha. Comment ça va? So viewers, I'm going to give you connectors today. That's how you connect two sentences together. You can use these connectors while you are telling someone the directions. Okay? So what do we say to again? You will say encore. Encore. Encore means again. If you are telling someone tourner à droite, it means turn to the right. You can say encore tourner à droite. It means again turn to the right. Second connector is puis. Puis means then. How you can use it? You can say allez tout à droite, puis tourner à gauche. It means that go straight ahead, then turn to the left. Après ça. Après ça means after that. Allez tout à droite. Après ça, tournez à droite or tournez à gauche. It means after that, turn to the right. You can also use pour for as a connector. You can also use a and as a connector. So one more connector I am giving you, that is parce que. Parce que means because. Last but not least, mais. Mais means but. Okay? I hope these connectors will help you a lot when you will be using and speaking little French sentences. Au revoir, à bientôt. Pour un bien, soin de toi.